Nature's Bounty Optimal Solutions Women's Multivitamin Gummies, Dietary Supplement, Raspberry Flavor, 80 count. Product details. Nature's Bounty Optimal Solutions Women's Multivitamin Gummies are dietary supplements that provide more than 10 key nutrients to support your body. These vitamin, mineral, and collagen supplements have no artificial flavors or sweeteners. Each daily vitamin includes vitamin D for immune support, calcium for bone health, antioxidant vitamin E and vitamin C, and more. These daily vitamin supplements also offer 50 mg of collagen per serving, as well as B vitamins to provide energy support by helping convert food into energy. Adults can take 2 raspberry-flavored gummies per day, preferably with a meal. Packaging may vary. Nature's Bounty Optimal Solutions Women's Multivitamin Gummies, Dietary Supplement, Raspberry Flavor, 80 count. 180 count bottle of Nature's Bounty Optimal Solutions Women's Multivitamin Gummies. Raspberry flavored daily vitamins for women include 50 mg of collagen per serving. Multivitamin for women includes no artificial flavors or sweeteners. Includes calcium for bone health, vitamin D for immune support, and antioxidant vitamin C and vitamin E. Daily vitamin also includes B vitamins to provide energy support by helping convert food into energy. These statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. These products are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Directions. Dosage: 50 mg. Instructions. For adults, take 2 gummies daily, preferably with a meal.